to niche down for business? What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel, the #1 place for 9 to 5 employees and rookie online business owners. If you're keen to know how to niche down on your business, then keep on watching. Whatever kind of business you're in nowadays, 99% of the time you're in a saturated market. So knowing your niche will help you set apart from the competitors. But how do you find your niche? It's about getting clear on what makes you unique and finding the people or businesses that connect with that. It's a reflective, experimental process, and the result is a fluid decision that may shift over time. Today, I'll be covering specifically 3 tips on how to niche down for your business. The first tip is, when choosing a niche for your business, you need to consider your personal values, your business values, who you love working with, and the types of projects you enjoy the most. Here is a small portion of exercise, which is a series of questions that you can work on to work through your brand strategy. I'm also going to give you an example to each. Number 1, what are your core values? For my coaching business, my core value is build your additional income stream or your backup plan while you're still in your day job. When you have your own core value, even your competitors are selling the exact same thing as you, people will still buy from you if they believe in your core value. And if they don't, that's fine, because at the end of the day, you want to attract the people who share the same core value as you. Number 2, what is your strongest skill? You might be good in copywriting, and if that's the area you're skilled at, then that's where your niche should start from. If you don't have a skill, it's okay, because I didn't know I was skilled at the online world, specifically turning people's passions into profits. I found out through learning and implementing. If you still have no idea at all, you should go learn from a mentor. That was how I started. Number 3, who would benefit most from your skills? Let's say you're good in yoga, then maybe females will benefit more for that. For me, I niche down to millennials because this group of the people can resonate with me the most. But niching down to only specific group of people doesn't mean that you can't have the rest as your clients if they're interested in your products and services. In the early stage of my coaching business, I niched down to millennials working in 9 to 5, but I did have students who were business owners, and then I slowly pivoted to helping all millennials. Second tip is to identify your strategic position within the market. After taking a close look at your business and its services, you need to research your industry in general. Are there any gaps within the market that you have the tools to fill? Can you solve a specific problem that no one else has yet? What are your competitors doing well, and where have they missed a mark? Looking at competitors is only helpful when done so through an analytical lens. Do not fall into the comparison trap. People tend to eventually copy their competitors. This is unethical, so please do not do that. Copying doesn't make you stand out from your competitors. You want to find the differences between you and them, because this is how you will start to stand out in a saturated industry. Start listing down what are your competitors doing now and what can you do to make it better. When you're starting out, please be aware that you shouldn't be comparing yourself with your competitors. All your competitors who have made it took them plenty of time and many years. You are researching your competitors solely to see if anyone who has made it doing what you want to do, and then you want to reverse engineer. Lastly, ask your audience what they need from your business. If you are lost when it comes to determining your niche or identifying what makes your business unique within the market, a good place to start is with your ideal customers. People respond well to questions about themselves and their own needs. When in doubt, just ask, then listen closely. Market research is a large component of all businesses, especially when it comes to marketing. It's also a technique that I coach in my one-on-one coaching program called Passionpreneur Academy. Market research includes interviewing and strategic listening to later use these findings in your marketing messages to attract ideal clients. If executed well, all this reflection and research will lay the foundations for your business to effectively stir your business in the direction of a successful niche. I hope these 3 tips are helpful for you. If you still need extra guidance, I shall invite you to hop on to a complimentary additional income game plan call with me. Again, I appreciate you and thanks for watching it all the way. I'll leave the link in the comment section down below.